Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the gasket in your swimming pool return. The best time to do this is when you're first opening up the pool and the water level is below the return outlet. Before I dive into this, remember, if you like the video, subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up and leave any comments or questions you may have and I'll reply back to you. So as you can see, there's like a rubber gasket right here between the pool wall and this lock nut right here, and there's a cork gasket here as well. So this cork gasket is kind of deteriorated. I noticed that it wasn't looking that great last year, so before we fill the pool up and get it up and running, we're going to replace this one and this one. I bought this kit from a local pool store. It was only a couple dollars, and it comes with 3 gaskets. It comes with a rubber gasket, the cork gasket, another rubber gasket, and there's one of the rubber gaskets goes on the inside of the pool between the outlet and the pool liner. So as you can see, right here is where that other rubber gasket is, and it tends to deteriorate over time with the chlorine or whatever you may use in the pool. Over the years it starts to break down, and this kit has a replacement gasket for here as well. So it helps to seal the water between the liner and the pool wall and this outlet right here, so it doesn't drip between the pool wall and the liner. And if you don't, if you have a steel wall, it'll help prevent from rotting the wall out on you. Alright, so what you can do is, my nut right here is hand tight. You don't really need to crank down on these. If yours is jammed on there, you can get a big pair of channel locks and adjust it to help break this free. So right now I'm just going to remove this one, and it should screw right off for you. Remember, do this when the water level is below the outlet return, obviously, because if you don't, you're going to have a whole lot of water coming at you. Alright, so we can take this off, and you can see how bad this cork one deteriorated. And this rubber one wasn't really in bad shape. It was in pretty good shape, but I'm going to replace it anyway. So all you need to do is push this back through the wall, the pool. Let's slip this out. That's just the gasket that goes between the, right? Put that in and I placed my liner. So here is that other gasket. Just going to take this off and it'll slip right off. And now you're going to put a new gasket on. Line up your nozzle to make it easier on you inside. So you're going to kind of poke this back through so my jet is in the right direction. If you have any leaks, like right here, if you have this kind of like a setup, now's a good time to screw this out. Put new Teflon tape on it. So put the cork gasket on, and then my rubber seal on. Then take your big nut and thread it on by hand. And you don't need to really crank down on it much. You should be able to kind of tighten it up by hand, and it should not let any water leak through there. So I'm just going to crank down like that. And then, yeah, just crank down it. Hand tight's pretty good. And you should be good to go. If you notice like any drips coming through at all, just give it like another little tight crank, and that should seal up any leaks you may have. So hope you liked the video, and I hope this helped you out. Remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. And if you have any questions, leave a comment, and we'll reply back to you. Thanks for watching.